Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to be kind of demoing the application I built for the Sinatra project. It's called Bookshare, and ultimately the point of the application is to have users share books on the application, and then other users can check out those books and borrow them if they're available. So I haven't gotten to the checking out part yet, but everything now so far kind of hits all the marks for the requirements for the project. So as we can see here from the homepage, we're allowed to browse the library, which I'll click on now just to kind of show it. So now these are all the books in the library. Once we log in, we can actually click on the link to the description, but right now we see we have some authorization in place that does not allow us to do that. And this is later on over here, there's going to be buttons that allow us to check a given book out depending on its status. Okay, so I'll go back to the sign up page. I'll just kind of show everything. So we'll do sign up. I'll just quickly sign up, and this will automatically sign us in as well. And this login is actually, this link is in the layouts part because I want this to appear obviously in all of the pages, all of the views. So now we can all, so again, the main points that I wanted to be able to do is have a link to log out and have that available everywhere. A user to be able to go to their own show page, and then links to the users index and books index. So now here we have the user's details, which they can edit and delete only if they are the owner of, if they're logged in and they are the owner of that particular account. And we'll see examples of when we're logged out, what they'll see. And also the main functional point of the application is here, that only a new book can be created when it's tied in relation to a user. So there is no books.new page that is accessible to a user. They can only add a book to the site via this form. So we can actually demo that. I'll just type in a book. Just add in some information. I don't know when that was published, but I'll just guess. Used. And we'll submit. And this will link us to the details of the books. And then from here, we can edit the book. And then we'll go to the all books and we'll see that it was added. And the main thing is for future use, the owner, like we were saying before, is automatically tied to, the owner of the book is tied to the user. So that's an important fact. And then if we log out, well, actually, oh, yeah. So now I was saying before that we can see a list of all the books and we can click on the user details, which was not allowed before when we weren't logged in. So it's just an example of more authorization. And we can also go to all users. Obviously, because it's supposed to be a communal website, and so we can go to see people's profiles. And the main point is we cannot edit. This edit link only comes up if it's the show page of the current user. So we can go here and we can edit our own page, and we can go see our own profile. So this is our show page, our home page. However, if we go to Steve's homepage, this is all that we see. We can go home. We have all our own personal links, but we have no access to the user form or to any sort of edit details, to delete, destroy, and we don't have that form because we don't want to be able to create books under somebody else's name. So that does not exist. And we can also create a new user, which doesn't really make sense. I should probably get rid of that. But that is it. And then if we log out, this gives us back to our home page. If we try to say, go to like find a user, so that has a value of 31. it'll redirect us to the login page, I think. Yep. We can go to books, and that will let